Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Now, if you're creating and editing video content, today's video is specially for you. I'm thrilled to introduce to you the latest update on one of my favorite video editing tools, that is OpusClip 3.0. It's packed with new features that are going to change the way you think about video editing. So now let's dive right into this video to see what's new with OpusClip 3.0 and how can it enhance your video production process. First off, OpusClip has rolled out a game changer for all of us creators, the genre-specific curation model. Now, whether you're creating question answers, vlogs, listicles, or even webinars, OpusClip ensures that every clip captures the essence of your content perfectly. And for those of us who love detailed content, there's something exciting. OpusClip now supports mid-format video creation, allowing you to craft clips anywhere from 3 to 15 minutes long. But here is the real kicker, the speed. OpusClip 3.0 processes an hour-long video 300% faster than before. This means lesser waiting and more creating. And for times when you want to spice up your videos without making cuts, the new only Add Captions feature is a total lifesaver. Just upload your video, toggle the feature on, and you're set. OpusClip will handle the rest, adding engaging animated captions and emojis to make your content pop. Now, while there are tons of enhancements, do note that currently AI B-rolls can't be added to the videos longer than 3 minutes. But stay tuned because more updates are actually on the way. And before you leave, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates.